You know that sinking feeling when your heavy-duty truck or diesel car suddenly feels sluggish, starts drinking fuel like crazy, or maybe even goes into a limp mode where it barely accelerates? If you have scanned the system and found code P2211, we are diving into the world of emissions, specifically the nitrogen oxide or NOx sensor on bank 1. This code tells us the heater sense circuit for that sensor is reading too high. Think of the NOx sensor like a guardian. It sniffs the exhaust to make sure you are not polluting. But here's the catch. These sensors only work when they are extremely hot. That's why they have a built-in heater. If the computer tries to turn on that heater and sees a voltage spike or resistance that is way out of spec, it throws this code. Now, bank 1 refers to the side of the engine with cylinder number 1, which is crucial to know so you don't replace the wrong part. These sensors live in a brutal environment, constantly baked by hot exhaust gases, which makes them prone to failure. But before you go out and spend several $100s on a new sensor, because these are not cheap, you need to play detective. Start by looking underneath the vehicle at the exhaust pipes. You're looking for black soot. If you see black soot around a gasket or a flange near the sensor, you have an exhaust leak. An air leak here throws off the sensor readings completely and can trigger this code. If the exhaust is sealed tight, look at the wiring harness leading to the sensor. Because it is so close to the heat, the insulation on the wires often cracks or melts, causing shorts. If the wires look crispy or broken, that's your problem. If the wiring is perfect and there are no leaks, then the sensor's internal heater element has likely burned out, just like a light bulb filament eventually breaks. At that point, replacing the sensor is usually the fix. But remember, always clear the codes and drive the vehicle for a while after the repair to ensure the computer resets its monitors. Don't ignore this one, because a failed NOx system can eventually clog your DPF or damage your catalytic converter, leading to much bigger repair bills down the road.